And also fine, before starting to the class, I need to ask, in the previous lecture we had discussed about it. In the previous lecture we had discussed about the magnet. Clear? I think you have remembered. You know the types of magnet?
Yes.
What are the different types of magnet? Yes.
Bar magnet, pursuit magnet.
These are the shapes of magnet. Any other? Yes.
Permanent and temporary.
Yes. Very good. Class for this boy. Permanent and temporary. And I said you see. And I said you in this chapter we are purely going to focus upon the temporary magnet. And I said also temporary magnet are something which retains magnetic property for a less period of the time. And in standard 10, whatever the temporary magnet we are going to read, that is all about your magnet which are formed due to electricity. Okay, because previous chapter we have the electricity chapter, and the application of that electricity is your magnetic field. Clear that much? So this magnetic, I said this magnetic property were understood by a number of the persons in the history, but here we are going to see how actually magneticity will produce with the help of the experiment. And one person is there who had started this experiment, who had raised a question against the how magneticity can be seen in a practical view with the help of electricity. The name is, you might have heard the name, Hans Christian Oersted. Clear? What's the name? Hans Christian Oersted. He is the man, he started that whenever, or he said, whenever electricity will pass through a wire, that wire will behave like a magnet or magnet. And that wire also produces a magnetic field around it. Today we are going to see what are the different magnetic field a wire can produce, how it will be, how it will look like. Earlier classes you have read that, but here we are going to do it in practical. So before that, let's go for the video first. How Hans Christian Oersted show that. Then after we will go for our practicals. Clear? Understood this much? Shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Carefully listen to the video. Some questions are there after this.
A compass needle when placed in a
This gadget, you know what we are saying? We are saying it as the no, this gadget I am saying. Yes. And in standard higher class, we are saying it as the marine compass, because marine people are using this one. That's why marine compass. And this is the magnet. Okay, and it is a permanent magnet. It can be temporary also. Clear?
empty. This is because the magnet produces a magnetic field around it. Are magnets the only source of magnetic field?
See, here one, suppose this is for a magnet, suppose setup of a magnet. We are going to read that one. Setup of a magnet. Wherever a magnet is there, a magnetic field is mandatory. That we are going to see today. Okay, our topic will be that. We will come through the video, then after I will see. See first.
Please. The answer is no. A current carrying wire or loop can also produce a magnetic field around it. This was a coincidental discovery.
He is the man, he is the Hans Christian Oersted. And one line he said, I think you might have noticed, that by chance he experimented that. I said repeatedly, there is no by chance. Whatever the experiment that Hans had done in your science history, these all are pre-planned. That is not to make you more intelligent, inside you curiosity. So they are creating the curiosity within you by using such words. But there is no by chance. They have practiced it number of times. Remember that. Okay?
Meet a scientist named Hans Oersted. Let us study the various experiments which Oersted performed to demonstrate that a current carrying wire is indeed a source of a magnetic field. Let's witness the first of Oersted's.
This is the setup. This is the setup. And we know some electric gadgets are there. Here this key, we are known as the controlling device, because it can control the circuit. We know two types of circuit there, open circuit and closed circuit. So that open and close can be done with the help of the key. That is why key is used over here to adjust to have a control upon this wire, this red and blue, these are the conducting parts. Means through that electricity is getting conducted. Clear what I am saying? And this is the source. From there only the power backup we are getting or the electricity we are getting. And that means from the source, this is the conductor, this is the controlling device. We will control the circuit with the help of this controlling device. And let's see once current is flowing through it, what happens.
These experiments, which demonstrated that a current carrying wire produces a magnetic field around it. In the animation, select the location of the magnetic needle and then click the start button. We see that Oersted's experiments demonstrate the following.
See, as we have heard the previous one, he said that once electricity will pass through this wire, it will behave like a magnet. Actually, how it will behave like that, we are going to see through this setup. First, see the video. We will go how they are actually, whether a magnetic field is there or not, whether it is producing or not. We will see it practically. Then after, we are going to answer some quizzes there or other thing. First, see the video. Then after, we will go.
Firstly, a magnetic field is produced when current flows through a wire. Secondly, the magnetic fields above and below.
Here it is set up. This is a bar magnet, you can see. This experiment you have learned already in the standard 6 and 7. This is the bar magnet. What it is showing actually over here. Now this is the setup or Oersted's experiment setup. Electricity is flowing through this setup. He is saying if according to the statement what if electricity flows, this conductor will behave like a magnet. And actually whether it is behaving or not, to examine it, we are taking another magnet to it. And we know whenever one magnet will come to another magnet, either repulsion or attraction will occur. So by looking upon that property, we will get ensure that yes, this conductor are behaving like a magnet. We have a magnet with us. This is the one magnet, bar magnet. Clear? See this first.
Current carrying wire run in opposite directions to each other. And finally, the direction of the magnetic field around the current carrying wire.
This line is much important. This line will see. Okay, I will say it. You give me a moment.
Of the direction of the current in the wire. Now let us see how the magnetic field lines around the straight current carrying wire look like.
This I am showing you. See, this is we are having a practical. This is the needle which we are getting here. This is not a Mariner compass. And this compass is nothing but I said that here one magnet is used inside. That red needle is showing, that is the magnet. And property of the magnet is wherever you will keep it, it will align itself according to the poles of the earth. ये अपने आप को अर्थ के पोल के साथ अलाइन कर लेगा. That means where it will be the north to south or south to north, something like that. Clear? So this, if suppose your magnetic field is there and I will keep it over there. Magnetic field in the sense how it will be. Suppose like presence of magnet. Okay, if I will keep it, this is suppose a magnet. This is. And if I will keep a magnet over here, this magnet has some magnetic field around it. It may be a certain extent. It cannot be extended up to degree. It cannot be extended up to Jasper. But it will be extended a certain distance depending upon the strength of the magnet. How much strength you are taking, how much strengthened magnet you have taken. According to that, the magnetic field will be decided. And once magnetic field will be there, wherever you will keep this compass in that magnetic field, you will see the deflection will occur in this compass. Deflection means I said now. Wherever deflection is there, simply one thing is should come to your mind that yes sir, some magnetic field is there. Understood what I am saying? That was the thing. So this is what through the Oersted's experiments we will go for practical. Yes, please.
Can the motion of any object can create a magnetic field?
No, motion of any object cannot. But here we are going to read in the ladder. After some lectures, we will go for it. Wherever any charge particle move, that may be positive, that may be negative. There is no your production of the magnetic field is there because one concept is there. Simple concept, you will go inside it, you will go deep inside it. That charge carrier is nothing but the flow of electron or something flow of the charge, whatever. Because two type of the flow that we have already discussed. Wherever the charge flowing is there, thing through this, you will see that how a magnetic field is produced with the help of a temporary magnet, which is your electric magnet, we can say, electromagnet we say use. Okay. Open it. And we'll see how everyone will see how they are means aligning themselves. This is now a setup for the production of the magnetic field. What I am saying is, before that let me start you. Let me start from the beginning. See, this is one backup, backup in the sense of electric source, battery. Simply you remember it is battery. These are some cords we are connecting it, and here is one your artificial magnet we are going to make. We are preparing it. Later on the name will be different, but now you remember this is a magnet, concept of magnet. And we know wherever magnet will be there, magnetic field will be there. I said you, and whether you are believing or not, and you should believe or not, let me arrange it. Let me show you. Yes, magnet means magnetic field is there. Okay, and that we can see with the help of this setup only. That's why I made a setup for you, and I gave some supply to it, so that now electricity is flowing through this circuit. And as it is a conductor, electricity is flowing. Simply, it is now behaving like a magnet. Clear? And I said, once magnet property is showing, that means if I will put some magnetic material near it, like iron filings is with you. If I will put over here, we read in the junior classes, sir, it will be made like a spider web. Yes or not? We read that. Let's see whether it is ho raha hai ya nahi. Check. Before that, let me start. Let me make it first into the magnet. Let me arrange the iron fillings over here. See, I am putting iron fillings over here. Means these are known as the iron dust, iron filings, whatever you can see. And iron is a magnetic material. Yes or not? How many magnetic material are there? You know any new name? Can you say me? Can you suggest me? We know iron, cobalt, nickel. These are there. Any other name? Can anyone show your brilliancy? Any other material? Till that, I will say a new name. That name is gadolinium. That name is gadolinium. Another metal, which is also magnetic material. Clear? See. Now we have arranged all the setup. Means I put some iron fillings over here. Let me now convert this conductive path as a magnet, so that I will see how the magnetic field lines are produced over here. Clear? After connecting this, see, now it is a magnet. Now it will behave like a magnet. So once it will be behaving like a magnet, magnetic field should be there. You may say, ask me, sir, magnetic field to produce nahi ho raha. I am making it. Wait, let me grab it. See, if you are able to, it is visible to you, or else you can come over here. See how these all are making like a number of concentric circles are there, and these all shows that these are the different magnets. See, all the rounds are over here. Magnetic materials are now arranged themselves or aligned themselves in a particular way. This what shows a magnetic field produced by a magnet. This experiment we have already performed in the junior classes. But in that time you are using the permanent magnet. You are keeping a paramagnet over there. Yes. But here we are utilizing the application of electricity. With the help of electricity, we are making a magnet and we are showing the magnetic field. And another thing I will say you, maybe some question arises in your mind, sir, ये जो magnetic field produce हो रहा है, ये और बड़ा हो सकता है? हाँ हो सकता है. I will say you yes. How? Now 2-3 reasons are there. One reason you need now, another will read in the high. One reason is that if I will increase the voltage over here, supply to this circuit, supply to the conductor, or the amount of the current will be more through the conductor, then ultimately what will happen, the power or the strength of the conductor will be more, and ultimately the circles or the depth of the circle will be also more. ये भी हो सकता है. Clear? Another भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे जितना टर्न्स हम लोग लिए हैं, ये टर्न्स को भी बढ़ाएंगे. वो पढ़ेंगे. We will read in the later classes. but that what we will read in the high, means later. Clear? Understood up to this? So this is how magnetic field is produced by this your temporary magnet. And now question arises, sir, magnet तो हो गया, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हो गया, इसका डायरेक्शन कैसे मिलेगा? इसका डायरेक्शन भी चाहिए ना, उसके ऊपर हम लोग डिस्कशन करते हैं. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सो चलिए, थैंक यू, सिट इन योर प्लेस. डायरेक्शन के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे, देन वी विल गो फॉर अ स्मॉल क्विज. आफ्टर दैट क्विज what we will see how much depth you culture upon this topic we will see. See, magnet, suppose this is a bar magnet, this is a bar magnet, and this bar magnet actually, whenever a bar magnet is there, and in that bar magnet one north pole is there and south pole is there. Clear for that? And we know a magnet, wherever the magnet, how small it may be, it will always exist with the pair of the poles. और उसको कपल ऑफ पोल भी बोला है. नॉर्थ साउथ को छोड़ के नहीं रहना आएगा, साउथ नॉर्थ को छोड़ के नहीं रहना. दे आर वेरी मच क्लोज. अब कितने भी माइन्यूट पीसेस उसको बनाएंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? अंडरस्टूड? दैट मींस दिस विल बी देयर, एंड सपोज दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड दिस इज साउथ. द डायरेक्शन विल बी फ्रॉम नॉर्थ एंड इट विल एंटर टू द साउथ. फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इट विल एंटर टू द साउथ. फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इट विल एंटर टू द साउथ. एंड इनसाइड द मैग्नेट साउथ. outside the magnet north to south, inside the magnet south to north. यही है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन. इस डायरेक्शन हम तो बार मैग्नेट में करेंगे. ओरेस्टर बाबा ने क्या किया ना, उनको अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट में दिखाया. whenever a current carrying conductor will be there and it will behave like a magnet, actually how the direction will be. Clear? Before that छोटा-छोटा क्वेश्चन हम पहले करेंगे, then after we will go for your what. Let's go for once again one last experiment of that Orestor. And in that Orestor experiment, what actually is there? One video is there to show the direction. In that direction, you will go for how the direction is. You can find it there for the conductor. Once you see, I can explain it to another thing also. Then after we will go for.
A couple that's witness the first we see the first. Let's take a step. Let's summarize what we have learned so far in this animation. Let's take a circular wire. We see that Oersted experiments demonstrate firstly, a magnetic field is produced when current flows through a wire. Secondly, the magnetic fields above and below the current carrying wire are in opposite.
This is important. See, he is saying the magnetic field above and below the current carrying conductor in an opposite direction is to be each other. Means, see, suppose electricity is flowing through this conductor. ये one rule will be there, that will be Maxwell thumb rule. तो आगे पढ़ेंगे. Actually direction जहाँ पे current का direction रहेगा, ये ऊपर current का direction रहेगा. अगर my thumb, if my thumb is showing the direction of the current, then my curling of the finger will show the direction of magnetic field. Clear? If current is moving in this way, current अगर इस direction में जा रहा है, तो magnetic field का direction यहीं पे है, ऊपर से नीचे. अगर इधर जा रहा है, सर इधर है. समझ पा रहे हो? इसको बोलते हैं Maxwell's thumb rule. It will come later. Okay. But Oersted what I have done actually, Oersted जब इसको पास, जब electricity को एक wire की तरह वो पास करो, that means trying to making an electric wire as a magnet. He put a magnetic compass over it, and he saw whenever electricity passing through this conductor, the compass getting reflected. And how it is getting reflected? How? Now whenever the electricity pass from south to north, we are having four directions. You know, we are having four directions. If we go for it, we are having four directions. This is for your north, you know, this is north, na? And this is south. Just a minute. Suppose this is the four directions and this for you, the top one is north. As like geography, the top one is north, down one is south. Simple, this much we need to know. Remember, right is east, left is west. So whenever the current is passing from south to north, the deflection will occur left one. जो मैग्नेटिक कंपास में अगर ये कंपास को मैंने यहाँ पे रखा तो एक्सपेरिमेंट में शो नहीं कर रहा है that one is NCR is जावे directly that particular experiment is not over here. If I keep it over here, you will see current is flowing from south to north, flowing from deflection will be westwards, not westwards, left. अगर नॉर्थ से साउथ आएगा यही वो तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लेवल तो पॉइंट करेंगे कंडक्टर का ऑपोजिट इज अंडर बिलो इज ऑपोजिट यही उसका आएगा ओके और थोड़ा देख लो सो दैट यू विल हेल्प यू
directions to each other, and thirdly, the direction of the magnetic field around the
see I said before something the direction of the magnetic field I am the current carrying conductor depends upon the direction of the wire current in the wire now I am telling you about
depends on the direction of the current in the wire. Now let us see how the magnetic field lines around the straight current carrying wire.
see this after this we go from the church
The wire is placed perpendicular to the surface on which there are numerous compass needles. Notice that in the absence
this is how they are saying that if earth is there when we are putting the compass how the needle are showing a particular direction oh that means all the arrangements every arrangement you can see this red stands for north all reds in the north that means it is showing these sides earth north directions understood this side
any other magnetic field, all the compass needles point towards the Earth's magnetic north. As soon as an electric current begins to flow through the wire, all the compass needles deflect as if aligned to
now I say see मैंने बोला साउथ से नॉर्थ करेगा कब रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा सर लेफ्ट देखो लेफ्ट थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो रहा है अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग सी
along concentric circular rings.
that centric circular ring of magnetic field is
Correspond to concentric magnetic field lines around the current carrying wire. The magnetic field lines are pointed in the anti-clockwise direction for the current flowing upwards through the wire as shown. If the current carrying wire is held by curling,
I said already all the things in the video that we simply I see this is a conductor if the direction is showing you can anyone from you voluntarily stand and say sir current यहाँ पे current कौन सा direction से जा रहा है कोई ये बोलता है anyone yes person
from south to north.
very good clap for person so guys see if I will keep my hand over here simple I need not to remember all the things studies should be in the way how you can easily remember it should not be mandatory or today that visa के अलावा प्रोसेस नहीं होना चाहिए इसको प्रोसेस से how to remember it tricky put the hand see how the direction is that means simply my thumb is showing the direction of the current as the electromagnetic field are in these directions so current is moving off current is from south down to clear pura clear and this rule as I am using my hand as the right hand and I am using my thumb for the current because current को लेकर तो direction choose करना है so thumb is the vital so इसको बोलते हैं right hand thumb rule right का हाथ thumb यूज हुआ right hand call rule और thumb rule whatever वो call rule बोलते हैं because calling it to side and who know जैसे Western has find the magneticity within the electricity who actually find this process you know the name is Maxwell another scientist that's right the name is Maxwell's right hand thumb rule this rule is Maxwell's right hand pure rule or thumb rule whatever it is this is only to show the direction of the magnetic field whenever a current will pass by current carrying conductor in which direction if it is moving this way I will put my hand like this if it is moving this way I will put my hand like this so it will ultimately my curling will show the direction of the magnetic field means इसमें क्या आप एक चीज माइंड में आ सकता है सर मुझे तो वो डायरेक्शन पता चल जाए इलेक्ट्रिक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पर मुझे क्या मिलेगा अरे यार दिमाग का बत्ती जलाओ ये है कि वो नॉर्थ से साउथ जा रहा है मतलब आपको अपना पोलर लाइन मिल रहा है यू आर गेटिंग द पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट if it is north and south swing simply you are getting the pole actual side and forward. Clear? Understood? We'll complete it, then I'm going to go for the pitch.
Bring the fingers around it such that the thumb moves in the direction of the current, and the direction of the curve of the fingers corresponds to the
You
direction.
can note this line, you can note it. Okay, you can note it. These are the, if the current carrying conductor is held by pulling the fingers around it such that the thumb points in the direction of the current and the direction of the ball of the finger will show the what? Magnetic field direction. Clear? Corresponds to the direction of the magnetic field. Note it fast. And this is much important. Remember that one in board also you are going to get some question about that. This is much important. Okay, how to find the direction of a magnet whenever an electric conductor is behaving like a magnet. Completed? We'll go ahead.
Of the magnetic field lines around it is to determine the direction
We have
of
already
the
practiced.
field lines around a current carrying wire is known as the
So that is not so. Now I will do this with the help of some Prasanjit has already answered. So there was something that I am saying. Suppose I have the wire. This is my wire. With this wire, I am showing you. Suppose this is my wire, and the current is flowing in this direction from top to down. Can you show me the direction of the magnetic field? Put your hand. Yes. Very good. Clap for the rest. Top to down. So आपका हाथ को पीछे रख दिया direction. Suppose मैं direction. And direction is current direction is from this side to this. Very good. Very good. This what how you are getting fundamentally. Hang it. Okay, see. So this is one of the thing how we have already completed our this. One question is there. Are the concentric magnetic field around the current carrying conductor are equally spaced? We have seen already is there. ये equally spaced था क्या? ये जितना दूर दूर जाएगा उतना अपना सिलेंडर को कम होता जाएगा, अपना फील्ड को उतना वीक बनाते हुए जाएगा. Clear? Thank you. Check. Then we are going to just a minute. Quiz. Some quiz is there. We will go for the answering. Answer with me. Okay. So that it may not doesn't matter. कि गलत ही होना जरूरी है. अभी तो सही करें. Okay. चलिए. पहला क्वेश्चन है. If a small magnetic compass is placed below a straight conductor. Are you getting the question? एक small magnetic compass मिल रखा एक current carrying conductor के पास and the current flows from south to north. Current south से north जा रहा है. Then the needle of the compass में होता है क्या direct question? Needle of the compass south से north जा रहा है. South से north. Needle कहाँ जाएगा? मैंने बताया था. कहाँ जाएगा? West जाएगा. मैंने बताया था west जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे northwest है ना वो. तो northwest को टिक करते हैं. देखते हैं आंसर ठीक हो रहा है नहीं. हम बिल्कुल कर रहे हैं. Clear? Hey, next. Question number 2. Question number 2. अच्छा आंसर शो कर रही है. North east. अच्छा question number 2. अच्छा sorry this is question number 2 I am not wrong. We will do it. तो question number 3 को आ जाते हैं. चलो second question. If the small magnetic compass is placed below a straight conductor and the current flows from north to south. अभी कहाँ जाएगा? North east को जाएगा. ये north, ये east. So north east. आंसर हो जाएगा अपना north east. देखते हैं. ये सर्वर, yes, correct. So candidates. Okay. Then coming to question number 3. Again, if a small magnetic compass is placed above a straight conductor and the current flows from south to north. above रखें. अभी क्या हो जाएगा? इसका opposite तरफ रखें. Okay. अभी ऊपर वाला रखें. देखो क्या होगा? कोई मुझे आंसर बताएगा. अभी ऐसे कंडक्टर को अब हाथ घुमाने से मैक्सवेल्स के रूल में मिलते हैं. देखो क्या होगा? नॉर्थ ईस्ट को मैं लॉक कर दूं एंड आंसर सबमिट कर दूं. Okay, whenever you will get such questions of the below and the top in this way, actually what we done, you know, if you are getting confused na, put that maxwell's rule. It will be better. Understood? So more 3 questions excited questions are there? Yes. Where's number one? Where's experiment proves that a current carrying conductor क्या करता है? Produces a magnetic field. And submit करते हैं आंसर बिल्कुल right. Question number 5. Question number 5. A straight conductor is placed along the north-south direction. Keep in your mind, north to south में right above the small magnetic compass. It means it right side above the small. In the absence of the magnetic field, other than Earth's field, what direction will the needle of the compass will point? Simply, if I question is, if I am keeping means electric field नहीं है conductor में, यानी current नहीं है ना? If current is not there, magnetism is not there. So if I simply put this magnetic compass over there, ये कौन सा direction का है? मैंने आपको बिल्कुल से बताया हूँ, सर ये always north south होके ही रहेगा, because a magnet always align itself in the direction of north south. It never goes for the east direction. It never goes for the east direction. Completed?